Okay guys, yeah, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change name on LinkedIn. The name you are using, you want to change it. How do you go about it? So guys, let's get started. Now we're going to open our LinkedIn account. When you open your LinkedIn account, the next step is wait for your LinkedIn to load. Now okay, so now the next thing is we're going to do is, sorry guys, this is your LinkedIn interface. The next thing you're going to do is click on your profile picture, then click on it again. So that means you click on it twice and you click on here. Do you see? Click on this pencil. Oh, sorry guys, this pencil. Click on it. Then you're going to see all your basic info, and here you can change your name. Let's change your name to this one too. You can change the name, add another name there. So once you are done with everything, just click on save, and you can see my name has changed. You can see it is very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment, and give a subscribe please. Thank you so much.